my son Drew, and we are gonna be making a
chocolate chip.
high five. Ready? Give me a kiss if you're ready. Mwah! We're gonna. Why did you wipe my kiss?
Run.
Kiss me again without wiping. Wait, I'm gonna melt the butter. Okay? Wait for me. Don't start anything. Melted. It's here. Be careful, it's hot. Our recipe is very simple. We just had a 1-on-1 ratio. 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. So this is just a basic chocolate chip. And on my area, making a keto cookie. Instead, I opted the all-purpose flour with the almond flour. Instead of using the regular semi-sweet chocolate chip, I'm using this, a keto chocolate flour. So we are using that. So are you ready? Now your sugar. So you have a regular white sugar and I have this Splenda sugar. You mix it? Yeah, yeah. Wow. With everything. Yes. Yeah. Looking good. Just like this? Put everything? Good. Wow, one hand! And then now it's time for our vanilla. Wow, that's a big cookie though. That's a big. That's that, like this. So this is what we need. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2. We're done. High five. We are gonna be baking this for 10 to 12 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, ready that. Ready good? good?